The manufacturing community of Jonesboro is a critical sector of the Jonesboro economy and provides many rewarding and high-skilled careers. Manufacturing Day is an annual nationwide celebration of modern manufacturing meant to inspire the next generation of manufacturers and occurs on the first Friday in October and throughout the month of October. Jonesboro Unlimited, created in 1986, a private partnership organization dedicated to the advancement of the economic prosperity in Jonesboro and the entire region. Jonesboro Unlimited supports the powerful and enduring contribution that Jonesboro manufacturers make to this region and recognizes that Jonesboro every day is a manufacturing day. The City of Jonesboro commends and supports this cause and organizations involved. So now I, Harold Copenhaver, Mayor of the great city of Jonesboro, by the virtue and the authority vested in me by the laws of the state of Arkansas, do hereby proclaim Manufacturing Day to be a noteworthy component to our economic development strategy by encouraging students to explore careers in manufacturing and urges all citizens to join in recognizing the importance of our manufacturers in our city, state, nation, and around the world. Congratulations.